Hey everybody, I am here to show you how to make a screencast using your Chromebook. So the first thing you want to do when you are on your Chromebook is you want to go to the Chrome store, and the best way to do that is to click on this little button down here or hit the magnifying glass key on your Chromebook, and that'll ask you which app you'd like to open, and you're going to choose Web Store. And then in the Web Store, you're going to search Screencast, and you're going to get a whole bunch of different options. But the first one is the one that you need. It's an extension, not an app, and it's called Screencastify. And what you'll see over here is add to Chrome. Since I've already installed this, I don't need to add it to Chrome. It asked me to rate it though. And essentially what's going to happen is once you add this to Chrome, you're going to click up here in the upper right hand corner. That's the little icon in the extensions bar for Screencastify. And essentially it's going to ask you to create your account. There's a whole bunch of different steps to that. You link it with your Google account so you don't have to create new sign-on information. They'll ask you where you want to keep your screencasts that you create. You can store them locally. Sorry, there's the bell. You can store them locally on the machine itself, like on the Chromebook, or you can make sure they automatically save to Google Drive, and then you can access them from anywhere. So once you go through setting everything up and signing into your account and allowing access to the camera and the microphone, then you'll be set up to basically do what I've done here. So when you have Chrome open, and what you can do is just open a new Chrome window, and you'll go ahead and click on the Screencastify app. It says right here that I'm currently recording, and there's usually a whole bunch of different options when you go to record. For instance, you can choose to record the entire desktop, which is basically like the desktop and anything you open onto the desktop. Or you can choose to record a specific tab in your browser or a specific application that you have open on your Chromebook. You can choose to use a microphone or not. Currently, I'm using the microphone, which is my computer's microphone. But you can also choose to turn on the system audio, which basically means that sounds that are playing from your computer also get recorded. That might be good if you want to do a screencast that shows you showing a video on the machine. If you don't check that box that says record system audio, people will be able to see the visual of the video, but they won't be able to hear the sound coming from the video. And then you can also choose to do things like what I'm doing now. I've chosen to embed the webcam. You can also do just a strict webcam version, but you can choose to embed a webcam, in which case your computer's camera will turn on, and as you're speaking and showing the audience what's on your computer, you can also record your face as well. So there are a lot of great options to play around with. When you are actually recording, it'll ask you again what you would like to record. You'll see what you see on my screen right now. It'll show you the time that you're recording. There's all kinds of other options there. It'll show you the resolution, which may or may not be important, and the frames per second. And when you're done, you go ahead, you can pause it by doing this, and then clicking resume. And then you can end your recording, which I'm going to do right now. So if you have any questions, let me know. But that is a quick guide to screencasting on a Chromebook. Thanks.